Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of meme coins with a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy Fartcoin on Radium using your Phantom wallet. Fartcoin is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Before we start, remember, nothing in this video is financial or investment advice. This is only for educational and entertainment purposes only. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. So let's get started. To buy Fartcoin, you can get this on several crypto exchanges. You can get it on BitGet, Get.io, KuCoin, HTX, Radium, Mexi. You can get it on any of these, but for today's tutorial, I'm going to be demonstrating how to buy Fartcoin on Radium. This is going to be very easy. Okay. So first, you need to install the Phantom wallet. You just need to go to phantom.app and download the Phantom wallet extension. If you don't know how to do that, I'm going to leave a link in the description below showing you step by step how to install your Phantom wallet extension. So once you've done that, then step 2, you need to fund your Phantom wallet with Solana. So Fartcoin is on the Solana blockchain, so you need some Solana in your wallet to buy and cover for transaction fees. So the easiest way to get Solana into your Phantom wallet would be to buy Solana on a crypto exchange and then transfer it to your Phantom wallet. If you don't know how to do that, I've already done an easy step-by-step video tutorial on how to fund your Phantom wallet. I'm going to leave the link in the description area below. So I'm going to assume that you already transferred some Solana into your Phantom wallet. Right here on the screen, you can see that I have some Solana, about 0.15 Solana. So this is what I'm going to be using to then buy Fartcoin. Okay. So the easiest way to do this will be to exchange Solana for Fartcoin on Radium. So Radium is a decentralized exchange. Step 3 is to go to radium.io. I'm going to leave the link also in the description area below. So once you're on radium.io, next we need to connect our Phantom wallet to Radium. You're going to click on Connect Wallet. And I'm going to be using the Phantom wallet. You can use any of these, but for today's tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you how to connect your Phantom wallet to Radium and then use a Solana in your Phantom wallet to buy some Fartcoin on Radium. Okay, so just follow step by step. So I'm going to click on Phantom. Here it says Phantom wallet connected. So right here, you can see that my wallet is already being displayed here. Next, we're going to swap some Solana for Fartcoin. Okay. So right here, I'm going to click on Max so that it can display the total Solana that I have in my wallet. And this is where I'm going to search for Fartcoin. But for me to get the correct coin, so the easiest thing will be to go on CoinGecko. And right here, I can get the contract address. So I'm going to click on copy. Then I'm going to go back to Radium. Click on this drop down. I'm going to paste the contract address here. And right here, you can see Fartcoin. So I'm going to click on this. And it's showing me how many Fartcoin I could get. So I'm just going to be getting about $11 worth of Fartcoin. So I'm going to enter the quantity of Solana that I'm going to be swapping for Fartcoin. And this is going to give me about 7.64 Fartcoin. And I'm going to click on swap. And right here, I'm going to click on confirm. And right here, you can see that I've swapped Solana for Fartcoin. And that's it. So that's the easiest way to just buy Fartcoin on Radium using your Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials like this. And if you have any question or comment, leave them in the comment area below. And for those of you that want personalized guidance, I'm offering a free 30-minute one-on-one coaching session. The link is in the description area below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Until then, I'm Umoren, your trusted money coach, and I teach you how to make your money work for you.